Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to customize Google Messages. So, customize Google Messages is pretty basic and easy to do. You'll have to first of all open your mobile phone and navigate to Google Messages. Now after opening the Messages application, you will see an interface that will look something like this. Here, you'll have to simply search for the chat that I want to change the theme of. So, I will choose this chat. Now, after opening the chat, I will have to click on this three-dotted icon at the top right side of the screen and I will see a list of drop-down menu. Here, I will see add people, details, start, search and change colors here. Simply click on change colors button and you will see all the customization tools available. So, you can choose the color of this theme pretty easily from this tab. Simply choose the color of the theme you want for this message. For example, I will choose this color. Now I'll click on confirm and as you can see, it's successfully customized and changed the theme for this person in my contact list. I'll have to simply go back and Google Messages will be back to normal again. I can do the same with other contacts. Simply click on the contact, click on three-dotted icon at the top, click on change colors, scroll down, select any other color, click on confirm, and that specific message section will be changed to the color you chose. So that's a simple way to customize Google Messages. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.